What's the crack, lads? We've an interesting one here today. This is off a road planer. Big fucking heavy machinery that grinds down surfaces, concrete and all that crack, I think. But anyway, so this was dropped in. This lad just keeps going. It boots up and then it goes to this blank screen, right? And when we take this number pad off or touch pad, it seems to go a step further. But so we initially thought that this was the problem, one of these buttons, and it doesn't seem to be, because there's no shorts or anything like that. And the button, the chips that control the button seem to be fine as well. And because normally you would have thought in the older school the ways each button has its own wire, like connected to the CPU. Could be like 10 buttons, 10 wires, yeah. But on the more modern stuff, it's actually just one wire. And what happens is all these 10 buttons are connected to one chip, right? And then this chip, which is a shift register, doesn't matter what it's called, but it'll turn all that data into a lump of data for the CPU to read, and it'll send this at thousands of times per second, right? This will make sense in a second, right? So it's refreshing thousands of times per second. So to push this one in, you'll see, look, you'll see that the chunk of data changes. And what's kind of going on here is this is what that looks like. So it'll be 0, 1, 1. This could be split into two. And this is 2 zeros, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's what's happening there. Right, but if I push a button, let's say this one. Right, what's happening here is one of these, if this is now going down, this one here is getting flipped to a 0. And that's exactly what's going on here. So that packet now is getting sent all the exact same, except that one bit there. And yeah, it continues on. And that's how it's able to communicate 20 buttons on one data line and refreshing it very fast, rather than having 20 different cables going in. Yeah, so I don't know. We still haven't figured this out. I think it could be like a data corruption thing or something. Because it doesn't seem to be a problem with this. So yeah, I don't know, but I just thought that was interesting. If you don't know how this data acquisition works, it's pretty cool.